Microtutor is a freely accessible platform that offers interactive virtual light microscopy courses. Microtutor is designed for research scientists who collect or analyze light microscopy images. It's ideal for those who are just getting started designing their imaging experiments, the self-taught microscopist, and those who have had formal education in microscopy but would like a refresher. The Microtutor development team has a lot of microscopy teaching experience, and we've observed that many research scientists who use microscopy have learned by gathering bits and pieces of relevant knowledge as they work through their projects. But microscopy is complicated and draws from many disciplines, so this is really hard to do well. And as a result, we find that many students are missing a critical piece of information, or have misunderstandings that may affect their data quality or impede further learning. And the problem is, how do you know what you don't know? This is where Microtutor comes in. Our courses are designed by experienced microscopy educators who take you through the course materials in a logical progression in which critical concepts build upon one another. The content you'll find in Microtutor has been carefully chosen for clarity, accuracy, and relevancy for research scientists by the Microtutor development team in collaboration with Global Bioimaging. Microtutor courses cover the fundamental principles that set you up to really understand the best practices we recommend throughout the courses for collecting high-quality imaging data. In Microtutor, you'll learn critical controls and image validation strategies that are important for accurate quantitative microscopy measurements. Microtutor offers interactive exercises and activities to engage students and enhance learning, including practical exercises to help you understand your microscope better. An important part of learning is assessing your understanding of the materials, which Microtutor accomplishes using self-grading quizzes and exercises. Microtutor content is organized into bite-sized modules that can be completed in short blocks of time if you prefer, and includes a variety of approaches such as short videos, text, and infographics to reach different types of learners. And of course, we all like to be recognized for hard work. In Microtutor, you'll collect a series of fun badges as you work through the content. Another important part of learning is getting answers to your inevitable questions. We've come up with 2 ways for you to ask questions directly to Microtutor instructors while working through the virtual courses. First, in the online discussion forum Microforum, you'll find a dedicated Microtutor channel that is moderated by the Microtutor instructors. Second, Microtutor offers quarterly flipped classroom courses. In a flipped classroom course, students follow a schedule where they're assigned parts of the course to work through independently. They then meet with the Microtutor instructors for remote Q&A discussions. This process is repeated until the entire course is completed. After completing a Microtutor course, you'll have the opportunity to download posters and references. And with our fellow microscopy educators in mind, we also provide the slide decks for all videos in the course and corresponding suggested lab exercises. You can find Microtutor on the Global Bioimaging virtual training platform. Enjoy!